Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to Bohol. So come on, let's go! So as you can see, sa airport, ang dami ng tao, ang dami na nagtatravel, pero hindi pa naman ganoon ka-crowded. Katulad ko na solo traveler, I suggest na kung gusto nyo na extra adventure, mag-Habal tour din kayo. So add ko na lang sa description nitong video yung information ni Kuya Jul na ating Habal driver.
Do your thing and don't mind my thing. Take the real thing in your story, please. Pardon me. I gotta say before you take my words so deep or easy, I know you're not happy by me being cheesy, so pardon me.
So for our second stop, we are here at the man-made forest in Bilar. So these are mahogany trees na tinanim ng ating mga ninuno. So I made the right decision to actually avail the Habal tour kasi ito yung feeling na nafe-feel mo yung fresh air saka yung lamig habang tinatahak nyo tong road na to. Sobrang, this is my favorite.
don't wanna. You could be sad.
And by the way guys, I actually made a separate video for the man-made forest, so you may want to watch it then. Pictures and videos can't really justify kung gaano kaganda tong lugar na to. So, it's really a must na i-visit nyo tong lugar na to whenever na pupunta kayo ng Bohol.
Me being cheesy, so pardon me, pardon, 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 pardon. I didn't mean it that way. Don't take it in a bad way. I gotta say before you take my words so deep or easy. Pardon me.
So, for our third stop is the Tarsier Sanctuary. So, dito natin mamimit ang mga cutie na Tarsier.
My head's so messed up, but I can't fold to no fear. Got sight set right up on these bands, and I'm gonna use to wipe tears. 5 years still sticking to the plans I made when I was a jit. Told moms I can't go live no normal life, won't stop till I'm rich. Said where were you when I was down bad? Now the money coming to me so fast. Left the hoe, she a big dub, straightforward with it, I don't go back. Everybody living better, I still remember times we done broke down. Tried it on this come up, I gotta get a bag for the fam now. But I got nobody to lean on, got a cold heart in a cold world. Ever since you left, I don't know what's next, I ain't found closure. I keep a knife in my chest just to cut holes off, I don't know 'em. Leaving a bitch in the past, I gotta go now, it's over. Left me out here grieving. Shit don't add up, baby, I'ma get even. It's a cold world, baby, and I'm just getting heated. I'm the only one I ever really needed. I gotta find a way out of this fucking position. I stay with a gang and don't stress by no bitches. I took all my pain and I put it in records. They turn up the speaker, I turn it to riches. When I'm alone, the past come at behind me, so I feel like turning that boy to a Casper. When I'm off whiskey, I feel like myself and I'll turn that bitch so, cause it really don't matter.
So, for our fourth stop, we are here at the Chocolate Hills. So, finally, makita ko na sila kasi sa mga books ko lang nung elementary sila nakita.
I got nobody to lean on, got a cold heart in a cold world. Ever since you left, I don't know what's next.
So, sabi nga nila dapat pupunta tayo dito pag mainit or during summer para color brown yung mga hills. So, ngayon, ayun, green pa siya.
Shit don't add up, baby, I'ma get even. It's a cold world, baby, and I'm just getting heated. So I'm the only one I ever really needed. I got nobody to lean on, got a cold heart in a cold world. Ever since you left, I don't know what's next, I ain't found closure. I keep a knife in my chest just to cut holes off, I don't know 'em. Living a bitch in the past, I gotta go now, it's over. Left me out here grieving. Shit don't add up, baby, I'ma get even. It's a cold world, baby, and I'm just getting heated. So I'm the only one I ever really needed.
day 2. Thank you for watching.